The Morrigan stands as one of the most complex and enigmatic figures in Celtic mythology, embodying the themes of war, fate, and transformation. Often depicted as a triple goddess, she represents the multifaceted nature of power and sovereignty within the Celtic worldview. Known for her fierce prowess and deep connection to the cycles of life and death, the Morrigan continues to captivate the imaginations of those who seek to understand her dynamic presence. The Morrigan is often referred to as a triple goddess, appearing as three distinct sisters, Badbi, Maka, and Imain. Each sister embodies unique aspects of war and fate. Badbi is often associated with the chaos of battle, and is thought to appear as a raven, instilling dread in warriors. Maka, reflecting elements of sovereignty and fertility, connects the land with its rulers, while Imain embodies the battlefield's tumult, representing the frenzy and confusion of conflict. Together, these three aspects create a powerful symbol of transformation, illustrating how war and fate are inherently linked to the cycles of existence. A hallmark of the Morrigan's nature is her ability to shapeshift, often transforming into various animals, with the crow or raven being her most recognized forms. This shape-shifting capacity allows her to traverse the boundaries between the earthly and supernatural realms, reflecting the fluidity of her identity and influence. The crow and raven, frequently associated with omens and death, heighten her persona as a harbinger of fate and an overseer of the battlefield. By embodying these birds, the Morrigan not only signifies her connection to war, but also her role as a mediator between life and death, illustrating the transformative power of this duality. The Morrigan is deeply entwined with themes of prophecy and fate, often foretelling the destinies of warriors and influencing the outcomes of battles. Her prophetic capabilities grant her immense power, as she can foresee triumphs and tragedies before they unfold. Warriors would invoke her name in hopes of gaining favor and avoiding her wrath, which could lead to their demise. As a goddess who shapes the fates of heroes, the Morrigan encapsulates the precarious nature of existence and the inevitability of death, illustrating how destiny intertwines with personal choice and valor. In addition to her roles in war and prophecy, the Morrigan plays a significant part in the dynamics of sovereignty, often testing the worthiness of potential rulers. By bestowing kingship, she asserts the belief that true leadership must be earned through courage and integrity. This association underscores the deep respect the Celts had for the land and its connection to the divine feminine. A ruler deemed worthy by the Morrigan was believed to have divine sanction, essential for maintaining harmony between the people and the land they govern. In summary, the Morrigan embodies the transformative power of the goddess in Celtic mythology. As a triple goddess, shapeshifter, and harbinger of fate, she represents the complexities of war, prophecy, and sovereignty. Her presence invokes deep respect and awe, reminding followers of the interconnections between life and death, power and responsibility. Through her fascinating narrative, the Morrigan invites us to explore the multifaceted nature of existence and the essential roles that women and the divine play in shaping our destinies.